Welcome back to my channel. I'm Dan, and today we're doing a little bit of a tech review here. And we're talking about the K050 mini gooseneck microphone by FIFINE. So this is a USB plug-and-play microphone that retails for a little bit less than $16. So from a use case standpoint, this is perfect for enhancing those Skype calls or joining a Google Hangouts meeting and not wanting to use your internal microphone. And I definitely put this thing through its paces and did several different tests with this. First, I compared it to my internal microphone on my iMac 5K Retina. Then I compared it to a Blue Yeti microphone. And here's a little sample of just QuickTime recorded video footage. Here is a test using my internal microphone on my iMac. I'm about, a 1.5 feet away from my actual computer. So test 1, 2. This is a test of the FIFINE microphone. Again, still using my webcam because for some reason if I use my camera, it causes a delay. So there's the test. 1, 2, 1, 2, test. This is a test of my Blue Yeti microphone, as you can see right there, and trying to compare it with the FIFINE microphone. Big time price difference. Let me know what you think. You can tell by listening to that, or at least the way I heard it was that it was far, far better than the internal microphone. I have to say, I thought the Blue Yeti microphone did a little bit better of picking up those deeper tones, that wider range of sound, and quite honestly it should, because the Blue Yeti microphone costs anywhere between $100 and $130. But when I would join Google Hangouts with this, and I would test it with other people on the other end of the thing. So you've got an internet connection, you've got compression, you've got all these things that come into play. The internal microphone always sounded like garbage on my iMac. The surprising thing is everyone told me that the FIFINE microphone sounded far better than the Yeti microphone. So at first I thought it was just placement, and so I moved the microphone around. I have the Yeti caster, I have the arm, and I got it right near my face, thought that would improve the sound, and well, certainly they said the Blue Yeti sounded good. They still said the FIFINE microphone sounded better. So at like under $16, this microphone is really great. Plus, it's just plug and play. You just plug it in and away you go, it's recognized. Now, I can't say how it works on Windows. I only have Apple products, but it works extremely well for Apple. Also, the cool thing is it's a mini gooseneck, but yet you don't need it up by your face. And as exciting as it is to try to use it like Bob Barker up by your face, you just don't need to, which is awesome. So if I had to pick one negative thing about this, it's not USB-C, but I totally get why it's not. USB-C is great in the Mac world, and I really wish it would have it. But if you're gonna create an accessory that needs to play well with everything, then you stick with old school USB. So at $16, this is an amazing microphone to enhance those Skype calls, enhance those Google Hangout meetings, and I'm quite honestly blown away by it at this price point. So go check it out. I'll leave a link in the description below to Amazon to go buy it. Comes in a couple different fancy colors, which is nice. It matches the aesthetic for what you need. And hope you enjoyed this review. Hit that red subscribe button, little bell icon to be notified, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.